Hello viewers. May pinost akong picture kanina. Sabihin ko lang isa-isa yung mga items dun sa picture. Kasi inspiring. So, ito. True wireless earbuds. Xiaomi AirDots. Ito card reader. Ito ay micro USB na flash disk, flash drive, 32 gig. Selene na coin purse, wallet, may laman isang card. Tapos itong tatlo flashlights. They're very small, like as big as my index finger. Ito 85 lumens nitecore thumb. Ito 100 lumens sa normal na rechargeable battery. Trustfire Mini 3. Tapos ito nitecore tip SE. And maliit din yan. Mas matibay. Ano siya? 700 lumens. 300 lumens. 180 lumens yata. 30 at saka 1 lumen. Ito pry bar lang. Parang 50 pesos sa Lazada. Ito, I've had this for more than 5 years. Mini knife. So yan, kasi laki ng pinky ko. Tapos ito winger na Swiss knife. Gunting. At saka ano ba to? Gunting, knife, and nail file. I've had this since year 2000, so 20 years. Ito medyo bago. Carbon fiber na card holder. I know it's just 2 pieces of card. Parang legit na carbon fiber naman. Parang 500 pesos na yan. Tapos it can hold as much as 6 or 8 cards. Tapos key sa gate, key sa bahay. Then ano ba to? Key fob ng Honda Click 150. Tapos Avicii air purifier. So 1 meter around you, it changes the air, or it changes the air charge to negative ion. So essentially yung virus, bacteria will all go down. Essentially cleaning the air around you. And then back knife, mga sinlaki lang yata ng fingernail ko. Sorry. So knife din siya. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.